Hi everyone, Captain T-Rex here. Now I'm going to show you how to make the classic Dart paper airplane. Step 1. Start with a piece of paper and fold it in half landscape-wise. Be sure to crease your folds. Step 2. Fold the upper left corner down so that it lines up with the bottom edge. Step 3. Flip over the paper and repeat step 2, this time with the right corner to the bottom edge. Now, on step 4, fold the right diagonal edge down to the bottom edge of the airplane. Step 5. Flip over and repeat step 4, this time with the left diagonal to the bottom edge. Remember to crease your folds. Step 6, fold the left diagonal edge again to the bottom edge of the paper airplane. Step 7, flip the airplane over one last time and repeat step 6, this time with the right diagonal edge to the bottom edge of the airplane. And again, remember to crease your folds. Step 8, look at the back of your paper airplane and gently bend the wings up so that they have 3 equal angles. And then finally, your classic Dart is ready to fly.